Welcome, I'm Monty McKinnon. Today we're going to make another jig to hold the bridge, and so let's get started with this right now. What I'm going to do, I've got a scrap piece of plywood here that is ready for the garbage. Actually, I was going to throw it out, decided to keep it. I'm going to use this bridge. I sacrificed this bridge to put on here. We're going to glue it on with our star bond. We're going to put some screws in it, and then we're going to put some dowel. The only problem I have here is this dowel is oversized, so we're just going to sand this down until it just slides in nice and neat, and then we're good to go. So what do you say we do that right now? Here's what we're going to do. I have marked the center or a line on here where I want this bridge to sit, and I'm going to put it in here just like that. Now that's upside down, so we're going to put it that way. Okay, it's going to sit just like that. So we're going to do that right now. So let's put that into the vise. Now the one thing I need to do, I've got the holes through the side here, through both the E strings, the high E, the low E. I've got it through the B and the A as well, because I'm going to put screws in there, but I want to countersink those. So I have a countersink here in my drill bit, so I'm just going to hold this against here. All right, what we're going to do next is on here, we're going to put some glue. This is Star Bond Medium. I always get the glue bottle out of the way once I've done that. Now what I'll do is I'll hit this with some accelerator. And now I will very carefully, it's in place already. It's not going anywhere. You can see that right there. That's how fast this sets up. Now I can sand all in here, do all that I need to do. I can actually get around on the other side of this and shape it down in here. So we're looking pretty good. And if need be, I can always cut this off so that this overhangs, but that's not going anywhere. It's at the right spot, and it helps me to line everything up. The purpose of this jig is simply convenience, just to put this somewhere so that I'm not fiddling around with it, because I'm about to cut the wings off here, and then I'm going to have to sand it and sand around here, and this just holds it in place while I do that. So there you have it. Scrap wood, garbage that's in my shop that otherwise I would burn or throw out. We just turned it into something that is useful. I hope that helps you in your shop and gives you an idea of what you could do. So thank you very much for joining me. I do appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the videos and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.